What in the world should you wear when visiting Walt Disney World? With so many different outfit types, weather conditions, and activities you can run into during a Disney World vacation, I wanted to give you an idea of outfit types that you can wear to the Disney parks. We are currently on a 5-day Walt Disney World vacation, visiting all 4 Disney World theme parks, doing some Run Disney events to give you some Disney park outfit ideas for your upcoming Disney World vacation. So let's go ahead and get into these outfits. Hello from Disney's All-Star Sports. We're doing an outfit of the day for you today. I'm testing out a new tennis dress to wear to the parks. It has biker shorts underneath, a pocket on the side, a nice flowy skirt, and also a cinch in the middle, so you can make it as cinched as you like. Kind of like it because it looks like it is a tucked in tank top into a skirt. Very comfortable and lightweight for the parks. Of course, the Croc wedges on. I absolutely love the Croc wedges for a Disney park day. We have the Vera Bradley Mickey backpack that's very lightweight, holds all of my park essentials, a magic band, and I didn't want to wear ears today, so I just have the Mickey sunnies on, so we're gonna go to the park. This is what I wore to Magic Kingdom today. This shirt has little cartoon minis on it, and it is so cute because it has minis from all different years. I'm just wearing these boxer PJ type shorts, but the thing I love about them, not only do they have little ruffle details, I also love the pockets that they have. I can easily put my phone or anything inside. For my shoes, I have the Kuru Atom 2 white sneakers, but they come in multiple colors and they're perfect if you have high arches. And I have ankle socks, which I have almost completely switched over to during my Disney park days so I don't get blisters. Then for my park bag, I absolutely love the Vera Bradley mini backpack that also has Mickey prints all over it. And then if I don't want to wear my Minnie Mouse ears, I just have these little lightweight ones, but I also use a cutie cuff to hold onto my bag so I can walk around. And then I have a magic band. And for my sunglasses, these are the Gooder sunglasses. So comfortable. They also do not slip at all if you're sweating, which is perfect for a warm Disney park day. So that's what we wore today. The main reason we went down to visit Disney World for this trip was to run the Run Disney Princess Half Marathon. And for my outfit, I tried to inspire it around Princess Aurora, so a lot of pink details. I went with a pink tank top that had ruffle sleeves, very comfortable since it also had the built-in bra. For the pants, I wore the ruffle shorts that I've been wearing many times to the Disney parks. They have pockets on the side, a cinched waist, and also come in multiple colors that I've worn them to the parks, and they are very comfortable for a full day. Added a crown since it was princess themed, and it came with bobby pins that you can just attach to your hair, so it was able to stay during the race. Then for my footwear, I wore feature socks. If you're looking for comfortable socks to wear to the parks or during Run Disney races and athletic events, highly recommend checking out feature socks. I wear the Max Cushion pair, and they have great padding around the heel and toes of your feet. And for my shoes, I went with the New Balance Fresh Foam More version 5 shoes. This is what I've been training in all of my Run Disney races, and I love the thick cushion that it has if you're doing a lot of road running or walking around. The tank top isn't necessarily something I'd wear to the Disney parks, but I absolutely love these shorts and can't recommend them enough. Hello from Disney's Hollywood Studios. This is the outfit we are wearing today. Since there is Toy Story Land here, we have a fun "You've Got a Friend in Me" shirt, and I love all the character details in the lettering. It's also a pretty lightweight that it's comfortable for even a hot day here at the parks. These are the comfiest shorts I've ever worn to the Disney parks, and in general, they're like this spandex material, but oddly enough, they also have biker shorts underneath, so that can help with chafing if you have any issues with it. And on the side, there's even a pocket. It's not super convenient, but it's kind of like if you're wearing a tennis skirt or a skirt. And then for shoes, I just have some light ankle socks. It has a really thick heel cushion, so it helps if you have any blisters around here. And then my favorite park shoes are the Kuru Atom 2s. Absolutely so comfortable for a full park day. Some Mickey sunnies. You can't go wrong with a pair of sunglasses. And these are nice if you don't want to wear Minnie Mouse ears. You still have a Disney detail. Magic band for all of the interactive things in the park. And to finish off the look, we wanted to go for more of a Pixar look today. So we have the Cozy Cone Cars Loungefly. I like this one because it also glows in the dark, but it has pockets on the side. These straps are super comfortable for a full day, and it holds all your essentials. So we're gonna go spend some time in Hollywood Studios. Today we are visiting Disney's Animal Kingdom, and I wanted to show you my outfit. So I wanted to go for a Lion King look since that is a big part of Animal Kingdom. So what I found is this Lion King t-shirt that has different Lion King characters and animals on the top. I really like the feel of the t-shirt material. It's not overly heavy, so it's perfect for a summer day or a warmer day that we are visiting here in February, early March time period. I also have my Disney Magic Band on. I love having the Magic Band for the interactive features in the parks. Then for the skirt, I just went with this cheetah skirt that is very comfortable, and the thing that I also like about the biker shorts that are underneath is that they're like this mesh material. It's very lightweight and also breathable. It's not like the straight through spandex that can get hot and sticky on your legs sometimes. Then for socks, I have these ankle socks that also have Mickeys on the side. I absolutely love ankle socks to avoid blisters. And then for my shoes, I have the Kuru Atom 2 shoes that are so comfortable, especially if you have high arches. For my park bag today, I just went with the Vera Bradley backpack that I have been wearing this whole trip. I love the Mickeys that are all over it. It has really nice padded straps, pockets on the side, and perfect to hold all of your essentials. And then the thing that I really like about the ears that I'm wearing is that they're lighter weight Minnie Mouse ears. So if you are someone that doesn't like wearing Minnie Mouse ears for long periods of time or get irritation on the back behind your ears with the normal Disney ears, these are really nice and lightweight. They feel comfortable for full park days. And for the sunglasses that I've been wearing this trip, these are Gooder sunglasses. I love these because they have this like no slip material in the nose and on the backside of the ears. But I really like the lightweight Minnie Mouse ears because the headband is very slim and small, and you can actually fit sunglasses over the top, and it doesn't give you a headache or press down and hurt too much. So that is my outfit for Animal Kingdom. I also wanted to show that since we're visiting in like the late winter, early spring, it's late February and early March that we're visiting now, I do have a lightweight jacket that I've been wearing in the early mornings and the evenings. If anything, it gets really breezy and the temperature dips down into like the 60s, high 50s. So definitely have some type of jacket on hand if you're visiting during those time periods. The summertime, you don't necessarily really need one, but it is nice to just have one on hand packed in case, so that way you don't have to hop into a gift shop and buy a $60 jacket. So this is a nice one I've been using. And the Vera Bradley is a perfect size to also hold a small athletic type jacket like this that folds up very easily. All right, for our final day, I wanted to show you the outfit we're wearing today. It is raining, which is sad, but we have a Disney Princess t-shirt on that is perfect for the Run Disney half marathon we did. We also have a tennis dress on that I just put over top of my shirt. We also have the Vera Bradley backpack, and we have some Kuru tennis shoes. I wish I was wearing the Croc wedges, but these are comfier for after the half marathon. So ankle socks, and then of course some bow earrings and the Mickey Sunnies. So we had a great trip, and let me know what you would wear to Disney World. So those are all the outfits I wore during a 5-day visit to Walt Disney World. But if you're interested in more Disney park outfit ideas, I'm going to share a video here of 29 different outfit ideas that I wore last year that are comfortable and stylish for days at the Disney parks. Helpful links to all my outfit details will be in the description bar below. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you would wear to Disney World, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.